every game na pakiramdam namin, kasi hindi naman namin tinitake advantage ng 8-0 pa. Basta kami, one game at a time lang kami. Yun lang yung iniisip namin. Pero syempre, masaya, maganda naging yung sunan ng game. Pero sa tingin ko, mahaba pa yung pagdadaanan namin talaga kasi sobrang haba ng conference. Doon muna kami nakafocus sa every game na gagawin namin.
First.
Same rin naman with Coach. Ako actually, relatively bago ako dito. So from the outside coming in, hangang-hanga ako sa mindset nila kasi kahit ganun nakataas yung naabot nila. Coming in, the work ethic is still so high. Ang taas ng disiplina, ang taas lagi ng level ng training. And yun, nakaka-motivate din yun on my part na makita kasi kahit despite all the greatness that they've already done, it's still 100% all in as if hindi pa sila nanalo. Hindi pa kami nanalo before. So, yun, talagang hanga-hanga rin ako with that part. And I think, like what Coach Sherwood said, mahaba pa. Of course, it's a nice place to be in now, pero mahaba pa yung season. Sobrang dami pa namin tatrabaho.